passing by, son, are you hurt?
Kids for Kindness is a K-6 assembly that is a positive approach to motivate elementary school students to be more inclusive, courteous, accepting, respectful, and empathetic to others. The performer uses role-playing, songs, and humor to help schools improve student behavior, personal character, social-emotional intelligence, and to help prevent potential bullying issues.
Mark does such a great job making sure that it's appropriate for the upper elementary school grades, and the kids were completely engaged and laughing and had a blast. So I highly recommend his show.
Performer Mark Beckwith or performer Tuba Heatherton will engage your students with an interactive theatrical style program. We have found that behavioral concepts are demonstrated best when the presenter occasionally interacts with our original pre-recorded on-screen characters.
Why should we be kind?
Wow, interesting question.
I mean, what's in it for me? Why should I be kind?
Well, Ruff, that's your name, right? You want other people to be kind to you, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I don't want people to be mean to me.
Right.
We had our misgivings that it might not be appropriate for upper grades, but we found that they were just as receptive and engaged, and they got the message too.
The characters are funny and captivating, even for 5th and 6th graders, but more importantly, the characters helped the live performer illustrate scenarios such as gossip, tattling versus telling, and even examining the reasons why we should be kind.
Hi, I'm Corinne McIntyre, and I teach 1st grade, and my kids absolutely loved the show. They were laughing and smiling and talking about it all the way back to class.
But she was out of style, and people gave her problems with it. They even made fun of her name in various different ways. There was one girl in particular, her name was Bonnie. She gave her a lot of trouble.
We have 3 different versions of the show available. Grades K through 3, grades 4 through 6 with a social media component, and another simplified version for K through 1st grades for schools that wish to schedule 3 performances.
I think that this would really help any school that's looking to add a little kindness to their day.
Yes.
And to the year.
Yes.
A kind school climate and culture makes an ideal learning environment. Kids for Kindness is a great way to start a kindness momentum.
Let's do one last wave, but we're going to do it in slow motion.